In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check why my phone number is not showing in settings on Android. First, let's begin by accessing the settings on your Android device. To do this, locate the gear icon, which is typically found in your app drawer or on your home screen. Tap on it to open the settings menu. This menu contains a wide range of options that control how your device operates. Understanding where to find information about your phone number is crucial as it helps you manage your identity on your device. Once you have the settings menu open, you will see various categories listed which will guide you through this process. Next, you will need to navigate to the section labeled About Phone. This is often found at the bottom of the settings menu. Tap on About Phone to access detailed information about your device. Here you will find specifications, software updates, and vital information about your SIM card. This step is essential because it gives you an overview of your device's status. It will also prepare you to dive deeper into the SIM-related information that follows. From there, look for an option labeled SIM Status or Status Information. This section is where you can find crucial details about your SIM card and phone number. Tapping on this will reveal whether your phone number is visible or if it shows as unknown or blank. If it appears as unknown, it can indicate an issue with your SIM card or your carrier's service. Recognizing this detail early can save you time and frustration down the line. Now, if your phone number shows as unknown or blank, it's time to take action. The first step is to remove your SIM card from your device. Make sure your phone is powered off before doing this to avoid any potential damage. Once you have removed the SIM, inspect it for any visible damage. After checking, reinsert the SIM card carefully. This action helps ensure that the SIM card is securely connected, which is vital for your phone to read it correctly. Once the SIM card is reinserted, power your device back on. This reboot process is important because it refreshes the system and allows your phone to re-establish a connection with the network. You will see your device starting up, and it may take a moment to reconnect. After it powers on, check the settings again to see if your phone number now appears. This simple step can often resolve the problem effectively. If your number still does not appear after following these steps, it may be time to reach out to your mobile carrier for assistance. Make sure you have your account details handy, as they may need information to help diagnose the issue. Contacting your carrier is crucial because they have access to your account settings and can identify any service problems. They can also help determine if there is an issue with your SIM card or account that you cannot resolve on your own. In conclusion, checking why your phone number is not showing in settings on Android is a straightforward process. By following these steps, you can identify the issue and take necessary actions to resolve it. Whether it is adjusting your SIM card or contacting your carrier, you can regain access to your phone number display. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps you troubleshoot your Android device effectively.